Hello everyone, this is Priya and welcome to Loop Studio. In this video, we are going to make this beautiful crochet flower snap clip. Come, let's get started. We will begin with the magic ring. Wrap the yarn around your finger like this. Insert your hook into the ring, pull through the yarn and make one chain. Next, we are going to make 5 single crochet into the magic ring. This is our first single crochet. If you are a beginner, you can place a stitch marker in the first stitch so that it's easy to identify later. Now, continue making 4 more single crochets. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We have now completed 5 single crochets. Pull the yarn tail to tighten the magic ring. Now, remove the stitch marker. Insert your hook into the first single crochet and make a slip stitch to complete the round. Now, chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we are going to make a triple crochet. Wrap the yarn around your hook twice, then insert your hook into the same stitch. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops, then pull through the next 2 loops, and finally pull through the last 2 loops. That's our first triple crochet. Now make one more triple crochet in the same stitch using the same steps. Next, chain 4 again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Insert your hook into the next single crochet and make a slip stitch. And that's our first petal. We will continue using the same pattern to make the remaining 4 petals. Let me show you one more time. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and make one triple crochet in the same stitch. And one more triple crochet in the same stitch. Again make 4 chain and make a slip stitch into the next single crochet. Continue. Repeat the same steps until you have made all 5 petals. We have reached our last petal. Now make a slip stitch into the first single crochet to complete the flower. Now that we have finished the flower, chain 1, cut the yarn. To secure it, thread the yarn onto the needle, weave it through a few stitches at the back, pull it through, trim the remaining yarn. Our crochet flower is now complete. Before attaching it to the clip, I am going to add a pearl to the center to make it even more beautiful. Look how pretty that looks. Now it's time to attach the flower to the snap clip. I'm using a hard glue gun. Apply a small amount of hard glue. Place the flower on the clip and press gently for a few seconds until it's secure. And that's it. Our beautiful crochet flower snap clip is ready. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one. Happy crocheting!